you know me, I like doing tests. Right now we're gonna do a little practice vlogging to see, you know, how it goes, how it mixes together. I'm gonna throw the Fusion on top. You see I have the tape on the top to make sure that it keeps the wind noise out, and I'll be using that audio once I'm rolling.
I'm really liking this little camera. The Hero 5 Session is really cool. I don't know how much I'm going to use it on the bike, but occasionally I could see myself using it for a second position. It will never replace my GoPro Fusion. I just love that camera because it just gives you so many options when you're vlogging. The audio on the new camera really stinks, but my Cena should be back from warranty replacement tomorrow or the next day. So I'll be able to do my audio the way I've always done it, through the Cena, and then just sandwiching it in later. I do like the Cena. I just don't feel like spending all that money to mic the GoPro. It just doesn't make sense when I don't plan to use it that much. But right now, I'm giving it a thumbs up.